Main problem with harvest tyres is obviously they're sat in a barn or a shed for 8 or 9 months of the year. So it's really important when you start bringing the equipment out, you need to be checking the pressure, condition of the tyre for splits, bulges, and just general condition. If there's an issue, then obviously you need to call us guys in to have a look at them and just double check they're okay. Combine tyres will generally last without any major damage or etc. They should 7 or 8 seasons is generally good. They generally perish before they wear out. Okay, so you're going to get some cuts anyway. A lot of them will be superficial because of flints and just the general operation of what they're doing with it in the application. Anything that has got cords exposed, then we obviously call us in and we can get that specialist repaired. Any bulges, we can come and inspect, or we can even get the manufacturers to come and have a look at the individual tyre itself and advise that way. It's like any tyre with splits and bulges. Obviously we're talking about a great deal of weight here with these vehicles as well. They're capable now of 50k to 60k on the road. If the tyres aren't in good condition, there is obviously, once they start generating a lot of heat with the friction from the road, they basically explode, or they can explode. Yeah, they just go bang and fail. And on a machine this size, it's a big job, you know, on the roadside to try and get it back up mobile again. So a lot of these now have got extra plies, they've extra reinforcement on the bead area as well, because there is what they call a VF tyre now, where you can drop the pressures right down to help with compaction on the field. Yeah, and turning on the headlands, I mean, there's a lot of stress and strain goes through these tyres. Some combines have actually got tracks on the front, not tyres, and that helps to alleviate some of that as well, and obviously with the compaction problems as well.